Welcome back to Literary Quiz offered by Professor Academy English. And let's go to today's question. What is the subtitle of the Restoration playwright John Vanbrugh's The Relapse? Option A, Love in a Tub. B, The Faithful Irishman. C, The World Well Lost. D, Virtue in Danger. Let's pause for a few seconds here before we go to the answer. And the answer is option D, Virtue in Danger. It is the subtitle of John Vanbrugh's The Relapse. Let's also check out the other options. Option A, Love in a Tub. It is a subtitle of George Etherege, The Comical Revenge. Option B, The Faithful Irishman. It is a subtitle of Robert Howard's The Committee. And option C, The World Well Lost. It is a subtitle of John Dryden's All for Love. And that's it for today. Please subscribe to Professor Academy's new channel, Professor Academy English, a channel exclusively meant for students of English literature. Thank you.